Republic of China. U.S. manufacturing share of employment was 39% during World War II, dipped below 10%. Member countries should, quote, avoid manipulating exchange rates in order to gain an unfair competitive advantage over other members.
Recent reports suggest that the government of China may be mounting an even more aggressive campaign to capture key industries of the future, such as green technologies and all the jobs that are involved with them. All of this, of course, is an outgrowth of a model of what the Chinese call state capitalism.
China must address its woefully inadequate protection of intellectual property, eliminate subsidies to Chinese companies, remove harmful indigenous innovation policies, end its restraints on exports of raw materials and rare earth minerals, and eliminate the myriad other barriers to U.S. exports.
By as much as 40%. We went to the company I mentioned earlier, competes directly with China. Chinese products.
The United States and many other countries around the world have shareholder-owned companies that operate in free markets. These companies cannot compete with state-owned enterprises operating in countries that violate the rules of trade. When China joined the WTO, it agreed to these rules. Our relationship with China is not working today because we are not holding them accountable. Shame on us.
China is, with its present currency regime, doing something it promised not to do, something that is inconsistent with WTO rules. Under that circumstance, responsive action by our government is appropriate. And number two, China's currency regime meets the existing technical legal definition of a subsidy, an export contingent subsidy. The administration's failure to act on that basis reflects a failure to faithfully execute existing U.S. law, and under that circumstance, the case for congressional action is very strong.